The infinite law of good brings me complete satisfaction. There is a power operating through me, a presence inspiring, guiding, and sustaining me. Upon this power, I place my reliance. In this presence, I feel myself to be an outlet of immeasurable good. Because I am in this divine presence, and because it is in me, and because this divine has all power, I know that my thought is made manifest in a perfect demonstration of health, of harmony, and of success. I know that the creative law of good is infinite and has all power to accomplish. I know its whole desire for me is freedom and joy. Therefore, I declare that freedom and joy are mine today. This freedom and joy are expressed spontaneously in my experience, and there is nothing within me that can hinder this expression. Because this all good is mine, and because it constitutes the only presence there is in the universe, I know that freedom and joy cannot be separated from me. I am conscious that there is an infinite wisdom directing me. Whatever I should know, I will know. Whatever I should do, I will do. Whatever belongs to me must come to me, and because of the infinite intelligence that is mine and that is within me now, I am compelled to recognize my good, to see more, to understand and accept and express more. I know the infinite creative law of good is always bringing complete satisfaction into my life.